Yep, so there you go. Nice smooth rotation there, and new cap. Pretty cool. Alright, we got that. Go ahead and install our correctly. And it's using the bolts. Pretty good. Once again, these are powder coated, or at least that's what brake motor says. We're going to believe it. We'll see. We'll find out. Started there. There we go. Supposed to be newer brackets, etc. Now these brackets, I believe, as well are 133 foot-pounds, as well as your hub bolts if you're interested in doing wheel bearings, wheel hubs. So it should look pretty nifty here, this color, and you can see the bracket just bolts right on. The brake line hookup is the same. I haven't looked at that as close. We'll look at it here in just a minute. It's clean off that bolt a little bit, and you know what we're going to use for that? You guessed it, we're going to use some super clean. Then we'll get this basically together here. But let's get these as close as possible. There's that. So now, as you can see, powder coated red will match our red mirror thing. Alright, so super clean. Spray this down. Pipe it down. Pretty good there. Alright, so flat part of the pad goes here. Yeah, so you got your flat edge for this, and the rounded edge for the other one there. Yeah, it's sticky here. I don't know if it's just, you know, too much powder coating on the grooves or what, but kind of not wanting to slide in there. Well, I'll put you back down before I drop this here. Okay, there we go. I just made it harder than it needed to be. I don't know. Alright, so here's the beautiful new caliper. And line that up. And put a smidge of anti-seize on those threads there. You don't want them coming loose, but you don't want them sticking here. There we go. The thing I forgot to do was get a 2/4 inch socket. Get it a little deeper there. Oh, look at that. Wow. That's Pretty cool, folks. Look at that. Lines up perfect. That is cool. Let's go ahead and tighten up these bolts here. We'll go forward. Alright, so we got our 19 millimeter here. We'll run a 3/8 so it's not too tight. Yeah, off. Good night. I tell you what, to keep it just all wet. Alright. Got that. Slide that in here. You want to tear those boots with your sockets, so be careful with your wrench, so be careful about that. Tuck it in there, there we go, kind of like that, just to get them. You want to tear the boots. Same with top. Alright, go to torque those and see how it turns out. There's our pin there. Got our bolt ready. There we go. Like I said, make sure you have this loosened so you got room to play. So we'll tighten that down. Just watch your, you're going into aluminum, so watch your threads. Take it slow. No need to hurry. Like I said, we already checked these, the copper washers, and they checked out. So I feel good reusing those. So it costs a little bit more money. It's a little bit more to check with at the parts store when you use brakes, but I think that's basically locked down right there. Yeah, look at that. I mean, a nice, smooth transition. We'll tighten our this little nut down here, and now we gotta go back and torque everything. But see how grimy that is. We really gotta rebuild up here. But there's that. Okay, get that tightened down. Alright. So, look at that. It's nice. Yep. So there you go. Nice smooth rotation there, and new cap. Pretty cool.